In this video, you will learn how to fix Mailchimp not working or not sending emails. Check your email status. Go to campaigns and check if your emails show as sent, scheduled or paused. Verify your audience list. Make sure the recipients are properly added to the audience list and have status as subscribed. Confirm email consent. Ensure your email has no missing subjects, no broken lines or passes spam filters. Mailchimp may block low quality content. Review sending times and settings. Double check if the campaign is set later or if time zone settings are incorrect. Check for compliance issues. Mailchimp may block emails due to its spam complaints, invalid contracts or missing unsubscribe links. Contact Mailchimp support. If nothing works, reach out to Mailchimp support to check in your account or campaign is flagged. Now you know how to fix Mailchimp not working or Mailchimp not sending any emails. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.